I always pick a very silent child who is sitting in the corner of class and I groom him.
Hello everyone and welcome to the podcast by Botanica Education, and I'm your host Preeti Soni. Today I am having Ina Banerjee ma'am, which is the principal of Himalayan Public School, Dehradun. Welcome Ina ma'am to the podcast.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much ma'am. What inspired you ma'am to start a career or a journey with the education industry?
Actually, I think it is in my blood. I am taking legacy from my parents. My father was a professor in university. My mother, that time she did MA, and after marriage, I tried for my PhD research. So I received the scholarship from the government of India. Then I thought, because my son was very young, I was unable to cope up with the office or the laboratory timing. So that zeal was there that I should do something in the education field. So I joined school. As a principal, I joined St. Xavier School in 2016 here in Dehradun, and now I am heading the Himalayan Public School, Dehradun.
So what kind of strategies ma'am you are using to grooming those students, those who are not responding to the class, though are they the good listeners, but because of some shyness they are not able to speak up. So what kind of strategies you are using to motivate these kind of students?
I believe in communication.
Yes.
I interact with everyone. Even during my free time, I call them in my office. My office doors are always open for the parents.
Oh wow.
And for the students. I believe in that. Till I will not communicate with everyone, I cannot know the fact what is going on. Children, they come from very different background with the different kind of the problem from home also and all. I always try to find that reason, that what is behind him, why he is so quiet, why he is not communicating with the friends.
So you are giving a close attention to every child so that they can feel very inclusive actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much. So ma'am, we are talking about the technology, and no doubt to say that technology is the heart of the modern education.
Yeah.
So can you share some ideas or technologies you are using in a classroom, and what do you think by using the technology we can make the classroom very engaging for the students?
See, this is actually high-tech era. After this COVID, we all have learned that how to utilize this technology.
Correct.
This is how now we cannot go back and say, all right, conventional methods are also good. We cannot ignore them. But technology is also very important. And as MEP says that we should have smart boards, we should have the internet connections also in the classroom. So immediately teacher can go and show something very related to the topics. And that only we can get in the classroom through the technology.
Yes, absolutely right, ma'am. So if one thing you want to change in the education system, what it would be?
I really wanted to give free hand to the children. I wanted to increase their happiness index.
Yes.
They should come to school happily and they should leave school happily and they should wait for the next day. Yes, I have to go to school.
You should be very excited to go to the school.
Because this human life is very beautiful and they should enjoy life. I mean, like, we have to change a lot in this. We have to work a lot. Not very easy to say that yes, we'll achieve everything by 2030. Yeah.
Such an insightful conversation it was, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing all the stories.
Thank you so much.